In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Claude Pro step by step so you can upgrade your account quickly and start using the premium features without any confusion. If you've been wondering where the upgrade option is, how to choose a billing plan, or what happens during checkout, this guide will walk you through everything from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Claude.ai and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile name or your initials. This opens your account menu. From there, select Upgrade Plan. This is where you can view the available subscription options and move forward with the Claude Pro upgrade. Next, click Get Pro Plan. Claude will then show you the subscription setup page, where you can choose the billing option that works best for you. At the top of the page, you'll usually see the choice between monthly and annual billing. Take a moment to compare the options and select the one you want. If you want flexibility, monthly is usually the easier choice. If you want to save more over time, annual may be the better option. After that, enter your billing information carefully. Make sure your payment details are correct, including your name, billing address, and payment method. This step is important because any mistake here can cause the subscription to fail or delay activation. Once all of your billing details are filled in, check the confirmation box for payment. This is the step that confirms you agree to the subscription terms and authorize the charge. Double-check everything before you continue so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, click Subscribe. Claude will process your payment and complete the upgrade. After that, your account should be switched to Claude Pro, and you can start using the upgraded features right away. And that's it. You've now subscribed to Claude Pro successfully. It only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is located. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.